for the weddings and functions. Ustad Bismillah Khan was a family from Chennai players. He really liked to see his father practicing Chennai.
Yes.
His grandfather and father both were the Chennai players, and Bismillah Khan too wanted to play it.
Yes. Very
He
good.
he one day he started just tapping the buttons of the Chennai and tried to play it.
Yeah.
He kept practicing the Chennai at the banks of Ganga, which was his favorite place, and he became the world's first official Chennai player.
Yes.
Maybe
Very good. And the credit
he was
credit
awarded.
for what is the
He was
special credit given to him?
he worked in two films, Gunjuthi Shanai and मैं नाम भूल गया दूसरी फिल्म
The
का.
second one is the Kannada film Sanadhi Apana or Apana.
And he also played Shanai in front of Jawaharlal Nehru
Yes, on
at Republic Day,
no, on the
he,
Independence Day. When the
Independence Day.
Independence Day, he was the first to
He
greet it. Okay,
he was
very good explanation given.
he
Thank
was
you, Beta.
awarded
हाँ.
okay ma'am.
Yes, he was awarded with the great awards.
Padma Bhushan, Padma
Yes,
Shri Bhushan, and Bharat Ratna,
Bharat
and
Ratan, very good, very good. And the credit for bringing this musical instrument Shanai on the classical stage goes to this great person, great musician. Okay.
okay ma'am.
Now let's have again a review of the whole chapter through a PPT. Now you can see again, if we go for the sum up and the revision of this chapter, second part of the sound of music, we have three pictures on the screen. If you know the names of these, anyone? Anyone who can give the names to these three great musicians or recognize these three?
Ma'am, one is Zakir Hussain.
Yes? One is
Zakir Hussain. Zakir Hussain.
Zakir Hussain, yes. Now see, look at the names of these great musicians. First one is Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia, flute player. Second one is Ustad Amjad Ali Khan, sloth player. And the third one is Ustad Zakir Hussain, tabla player. Okay, great musicians or the instrument players we had. Now, this is again the picture of great musician. And anyone who can tell the name of this instrument?
Shehnai.
Shehnai, very good, very good. Coming to the next part,
Ustad Bismillah
just
Khan.
wait. Many students are entering just now. Let me admit them. Beta, please be in time. When you enter in between, we find problem to admit you because now we don't have any co-teacher with us. So everything has to be managed by the single person. So come in time. In the beginning, we give you 5 minutes. Now coming to the next slide, this is clear that it is the picture of Ustad Bismillah Khan and the instrument is Shehnai. Next one, coming to the sum up of this part, 2, that is Emperor Aurangzeb banned the playing of pungi because of its unpleasant sound. Pungi's tonal quality was improved by a Nai barber of Shah, hence it was named as Shehnai. You can see the picture of this instrument also given to you along with the explanation. Coming to the next part, the sound of Shehnai was considered very melodious, and it is considered auspicious. That's why it is played in the temples and is inseparable part of North Indian weddings. But the credit goes to Ustad Bismillah Khan for bringing this Shehnai onto the classical stage, because till then it was played only in the temples and in the auspicious wedding ceremonies only. Now, on the basis of this, please note down this activity which you have to do. All of you, please write in your notebook. Note down this activity which is given to you here in the slide, and you must complete it in your notebook also. You will collect information about your favorite singer or music composer, any favorite singer whom you like, and any music composer. Draw or paste his picture on a page or notebook and write a paragraph about him and what you learn from his life in about 80 to 100 words. Any lesson you learn from his life or his struggle or his challenges, what he had faced in life, anything you know about the life of that singer or the music composer and the lesson you have learned. Make the page colorful and presentable. Okay, this is the activity based on this chapter for you. Clear? Now coming to the back exercise. Beta, still you are joining, it's too late. Come in time, it's causing problem again and again. Is the screen visible now for the chapter?
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to the back exercise of the chapter, as we have discussed the details of the chapter yesterday and we have finished with it. Coming to the first exercise that is given to you at the back of the exercise, tick the right answer. There are sentences given to you with options. Two options are given. So you are to tick the right answer out of these two. Yes, who will do it? Parneet Kaur. Good. Parneet Kaur. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the pungi was a reeded noisemaker.
Yes, the pungi was a reeded noise maker. Good. Second one.
A barber transformed pungi into a shehnai.
A barber transformed the pungi into a shehnai. Yes.
Bismillah Khan's parental ancestors were musicians, professional musicians.
Bismillah Khan's paternal ancestors were professional musicians. Yes.
Bismillah Khan learned to play the shehnai from Ali Baksh.
Bismillah Khan learned to play the shehnai from Ali Baksh. Who was Ali Baksh?
He was his uncle.
His uncle,
Parental
maternal uncle. Okay. Next.
Bismillah Khan's first trip abroad was to Afghanistan.
Yes, Bismillah Khan's first trip abroad was to Afghanistan. Good. Now coming to the second exercise. Look at the second exercise. Find the words in the text which show Ustad Bismillah Khan's feelings about the items listed below. Then mark a tick in the correct column. Discuss your answers in the class. Yes, I'm giving you 1 minute. Quickly go through these points given to you. Bismillah Khan's feelings about teaching children music, the film world, migrating to the USA, playing at temples, getting the Bharat Ratan, the banks of the Ganga, leaving Benares and Dumraon. Yes, raise your hands. Who will complete it? Hiteshri, yes.
I'm teaching children music. It is positive.
Positive,
Film,
yes. He
the film
encouraged.
word, it is negative.
Just wait. Teaching children music is positive because he advised the parents to teach their children music because it tells about our Indian culture and heritage. Yes. Second,
The film world, it is negative because he didn't like about the glamour about the film.
yes, he did not like about the artificiality and the glamour of the film world. So it is negative according to him. Next, migrating to the USA.
Migrating to the USA, it's negative
It
because he
is
didn't like
negative.
to leave.
Yes. How do we come to know about?
Because he didn't like to leave the banks of Ganga and Banaras every day.
Yes, he did not want to separate himself from Ganga and Banaras because when one of his student advised him to open a music school in USA, and he even promised to recreate the atmosphere of Banaras by replicating the temples there, he did not agree because he knew that the river Ganga cannot be transported to that area. So he was negative in his view in migrating to USA. Next, playing at temples.
Playing at temples, it's neutral. He didn't mind to play at temples. He was very
Yes, you can
neutral
say
with that.
positive also, or it can be neutral because he did not say anything about this. But he used to go to play to temples for his practice from his since his childhood only. In the very beginning, we are told that when he was 5 years old, he used to go to Balaji temple and used to get an award of 1.25 kg laddu. So it can be positive. That means he was willing to play in the temples. Next,
Getting the Bharat Ratna, it's positive.
positive. It's no doubt anyone getting award will be giving happiness to that person. Yes, positive. Next.
The banks of the Ganga, it's positive.
Positive, yes. He had a great love for his country, for the Banaras, for the Ganga River. And he got
Leaving Banaras
inspiration.
and
Just wait, he got inspiration from the waves of Ganga only, from the flowing water of Ganga only to invent and to create ragas. That was the inspiration to create ragas he got from Ganga. Yes, next.
leaving Banaras and Dumrom, it's negative.
It's negative because he does not want to leave Banaras and Dumraon, and he had great love and attachment with these particular places. Next, coming to the questions. First question, Lavanya Kapoor.
Yes, ma'am. Why did Aurangzeb ban the playing of pungi?
Yes.
Aurangzeb banned the playing of pungi because it had a shrill and unpleasant sound. He believed that pungi was a noise-creating instrument.
Yes, very good. Aurangzeb banned the playing of pungi because, according to him, it was creating a noise and it had a shrill and unpleasant sound. So it was banned in the royal residence. Next question. Yes, second question. I can see the next student, Sanyam Pasi.
Yes, ma'am.
Sangyam Farsi. Second question, beta.
Chennai different from a Pungi.
Yes.
Chennai has a better tonal quality than Pungi.
Hmm.
It it has a pipe with a natural host stem that was longer and broader than the Pungi,
Yes.
and
Hmm.
so that
When
Chennai is
closing and opening some of the holes, it created soft and melodious sounds. Clear?
yes.
So this instrument impressed everyone in the royal court. Next one, I can see the name of Gauri now. Gauri, next question.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Where was Chennai played traditionally? How did Bismillah Khan change this?
Yes.
Traditionally, the Chennai was a part of traditional ensemble of 9 instruments found at royal courts and was played only in temples and weddings. Bismillah
Yes.
Khan changed it by bringing it onto the classical stage.
Yes. In the beginning, traditionally, the Shehnai was played only in the temples and in the royal courts and in the North Indian weddings. But the credit goes to Bismillah Khan, who changed the tradition and brought it on the classical stage. Next one, Ankit. Next question, Ankit. Yes, beta.
Yes. When and how did Bismillah Khan get his break?
Yes.
Bismillah Khan got his break with the opening of All India Radio in Lucknow in 1938.
Very good, very good. Bismillah Khan got his big break with the opening of the All India Radio in Lucknow in 1938. Very good. Next question. Uh, now I can see Ram Avasthi. Ram Avasthi. Beta, next question. Read the next question. Yes, beta. Ram Avasthi. Read the next question, number 5.
Ma'am, where did Bismillah Khan played the Shehnai on 15 August 1947? Why was the event historical?
Yes.
Bismillah Khan played the Shehnai on 15 August 1947 at Rathford. He was first Indian to greet the nation with his musical instrument. This event was historical because we got independence on that day.
Yes, we got independence on that day, and he was the first Indian. He became the first Indian to greet the nation with his Shehnai. That's why it became a historical event. He poured his audience with the he poured his audience heart out into Rag Kafi from the Red Fort, and including Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. Many great leaders were there to listen this music on that day. So it became a historic event. Yes, next question. Now I can see the name of Arpit Joshi. Arpit,
Yes, ma'am.
next question, beta.
Ma'am, next question. Why did Bismillah Khan refuse to start a Shehnai school in the USA?
Hmm.
Ma'am, he refused to start a Shehnai school in the USA. It was because there was no Ganga there. The Ganga couldn't also be taken up here. Whenever he was in USA, he always missed seeing Hindustan.
That showed that he had great love for these places, Banaras, Dumrao, and Ganga. And he knew that Ganga cannot be transported to USA. So he refused to start a Shanai school in USA. Yes, next question. Now I can see Hitika. Hitika Vadva.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next
Find at
question.
least find at least 2 instances in the text which tell you that Bismillah Khan loves the India and Benares.
Yes.
There are two instances that show that Bismillah Khan's love for India and Banaras are firstly when the Bismillah Khan refused when someone advised him to start the Shehnai school in USA, but he refused that as he was very fond of River Ganga and Dumrao in Banaras.
Yes.
And secondly, it shows that when Khan Sahib asked him that they should move to Pakistan during the partition, and he refused that, even that he wanted to stay in Benares as he loved the India.
There is a mention about Pakistan in the chapter. Is there any mention about the Pakistan in chapter?
No, ma'am.
It is given in the box. Have you read that? On the last page of the book, on page 25, let me move the screen so that you can see. Last page of the book, that is on page 25. See on the top, before passage number 13, there is a box given. Shekhar Gupta, when partition happened, didn't you and your family think of moving to Pakistan? Bismillah Khan answered, God forbid me. Leave Banaras. Never. I went to Pakistan once. I crossed the border just to say I have been to Pakistan. I was there for about an hour. I said namaskar to Pakistanis and salam alaikum to the Indians. I had a good laugh. This also shows that he could not stay there more than 1 hour. You can add this point also. Otherwise, in your chapter, you are given at the ending of the passage 12 that he had a great desire. He keeps on yearning to see Hindustan whenever he was in a foreign country. And whenever he was in Mumbai, he thought only of Banaras and the Holy Ganga. And when he was in Banaras, he used to miss the unique Matha of Dumrao. All these incidents and the memories show that he had a great love for his country and he did not want to settle down anywhere outside India. Clear? Now coming to the next part, thinking about the language. Look at these sentences. Evelyn was determined to live a normal life. Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends and teachers. The italicized parts answer the questions, what was Evelyn determined to do? And what did Evelyn manage to do? They begin with a to verb, to live, to conceal. Can you note down? In the sentence, Evelyn was determined to live a normal life, live a normal life, to conceal her growing deafness. These phrases start with to plus first form of the verb. What is it called? Anyone can name? Yes. What is it called when we use
infinitive.
to infinitive? Very good, very good. When we use to plus first form, it is known as to infinitive form. Now, for the exercise, what you have to do is complete the following sentences beginning with a to verb and try to answer the questions in the brackets. They have given you the question in the bracket, and according to that question, you have to answer. Okay, I'm reading the sentences. First listen all of you, then one by one you will answer. The school sports team hopes dash. What does it hope to do? What does it hope to do? Jasleen Kaur. Jasleen Kaur.
The school sports team hopes to win.
Yes, the school sports team hopes to win. 2 plus first form, to win the match. आप आगे object भी add कर सकते हो. To win the match. The school sports team hopes to win the match. To win is infinitive form. That means you have to use here to plus first form to give the answer to this question. Okay. Now coming to the next part, the second sentence is, we all want dash And the question is, what do we all want to do? Now I can see the name of Chahat. Chahat from 9th Ping, 35 roll number.
Ma'am, we all want to learn the lesson.
We all want to learn the lesson. We all want to succeed in our life. We all want to achieve success in life. Anything which you can complete with meaning 2 plus first form, infinitive form use करते हुए आप कुछ भी sentences में add कर सकते हो which can complete the meaning and you can get the answer of this question. Okay. Next, coming to the third sentence, they advised the hearing impaired child's mother dash, and the question is, what did they advise her to do? Now I can see the name of next student. Please raise your hand, those who have not got the turn. Anmol Camp. Ishita Kapoor is raising hand. Yes, Ishita Kapoor, beta. After this, Anmol
Ma'am.
turn. Yes.
Ma'am, to take the child to specialist.
They advise the hearing impaired child's mother to take the child to the specialist, to a specialist, or to consult the doctor. Simply this can also be used. They advise the hearing impaired child's mother to consult the doctor or to take the child to a specialist. Clear? Next, sentence number 4. The authorities permitted us to dash. What did the authorities permit us to do? Yes, Ankit beta. Yes, Ankit, 32 roll number. Quickly answer. Who is this? 1, 2, 3. Quickly rename yourself, otherwise I am going to remove you. 1, 2, 3 किसका नाम है? आपका नाम है कुछ तो बेटा मेंशन करिए, अदरवाइज आई एम गोइंग टू रिमूव यू. Yes, Ankit, 32. Are you going to answer? Anshuman Srivastav. Yes, beta. Anshuman Srivastav. Those who have answered, please lower your hands so that I can see the names of others. Those who have already answered, lower your hands. Yes. Ankit, you don't want to? Aryan Sharma. Aryan Sharma, beta, please unmute yourself and answer. No one is ready. Dhruv. Harleen. Harleen. Gurasis. Gurasis, please beta unmute yourself and answer. Any problem you are facing? Okay, Arpit Joshi. Arpit Joshi. Yes, Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The authorities permitted us to organize a fair.
The authorities permitted us to organize a fair, very good, to construct a building, to go for a picnic. Any sentence you can add which can complete the meaning. Okay. Now the next sentence is, beta please unmute yourself and don't waste the time. Noorjot. Noorjot beta, next sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
A musician. Yes, decided to dash.
A musician decided to play harmonium.
What did the musician decide to do? A musician decided to, yes,
Play the harmonium.
Play the harmonium, or a musician decided to open a school for children. The musician decided to give a music class to the students. Anything which can complete the meaning starting with 2 plus first form. That means use of to infinitive. Is it clear now? The use of to infinitive to all? Okay. Coming to the next part. From the text, on Bismillah Khan, find the words and phrases that match these definitions and write them down. The number of the paragraph where you will find the words and phrases has been given for you in brackets. Now, you are given the words or the phrases, paragraph number is given. You have to find out the meaning of these words or phrases from your text. The home of the royal people. What is it called? The home of the royal people. Again, I can see.
Royal residence.
Who is there? Please tell your name.
Ma'am, Arpit.
Arpit, very good. Royal residence. Now next,
Royal
Kamaljeet Kaur. Kamaljeet Kaur.
Yes,
Second one,
the
madam.
state, yes, ma'am, the state of being alone, solitude.
Solitude, yes, the state of being alone. Solitude. Next, third one. Anyone? Prakul Chawla, yes. Prakul Chawla. Yes, beta. Prakul Chawla, please answer the third sentence. A part which is absolutely necessary. Prakul Chawla. बेटा आंसर भी करते हैं, सिर्फ म्यूजिक ही नहीं सुनाते, बाकी काम भी करने हैं हमने, ठीक है? A part which is absolutely necessary. Please unmute yourself and answer. Are you going to, Prakul? No. Dhruv? Dhruv? Harkirat Singh? Harkirat Singh? Gur Assis Kaur? Anyone, beta? Unmute yourself and answer. Gur Assis Kaur? Is there any problem, beta? Inpreet?
Ma'am.
Yes, who is there?
Ma'am, improvise.
Who is there?
Ma'am, Arpit.
Arpit. Beta, let me give the turn to the other students also. A part which is absolutely necessary. It is not impoverished. Improvised. It's not improvised. It's not correct. Inpreet. Inpreet, beta. Please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I do.
Inpreet. Yes, who is the next one? Who wants to do?
Ma'am, Ramavasti.
Tell your name, beta.
Ma'am, Ramavasti.
Ram Avasthi, okay.
Ma'am, indispensable component.
Indispensable, very good. A part which is absolutely necessary, बहुत जरूरी होता है, जिसके बिना हमारा गुजारा ही नहीं होता. That is indispensable. Clear? Next,
Yes,
coming to the next part. Ishan, Japdeep, Inpreet, Harsukh. Anyone out of these? Please unmute yourself and complete the rest part. Quickly, you must unmute yourself. Yes, sentence number 4. To do something not done before. To do something not done before.
Janitor.
Yes.
Janitor.
Who is there? Please let me know your name.
Harkirat.
Harkirat. Very good. What is the answer, beta?
To do something not done before, invent.
Invent. Very good. Next one. Japdeep, Ishan or Inpreet. Anyone out of these 3 students? Without much effort. Without much effort. Who's going to answer? Harmanpreet, Harsukh, Harmanpreet or Harsukh, anyone?
Ma'am, devote.
Who is there?
Ma'am, Harsukh.
Harsukh, yes, without much effort?
Devote.
No, beta, it is effortlessly. Effortlessly. Then number 6. Manya. Manya, beta, please answer sentence number 6. Manya, please unmute yourself, beta. Manav, Manya, Navkirat. Anyone out of these three? Quickly and in large quantities. Quickly and in large quantities. Last sentence. Are you going to answer, Manya? Karan Garg. Nishchal Rana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, thick and fast.
Thick and fast. Very